Okay, where are you?
Thongsomboon Club.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Kian. My name is Mark. And my name is Earl.
If you want to learn here,
If you want to learn here, you pay only 1,200 baht.
okay, for 1 hour with our excellent teacher that speak English. Have to clean the horse. Yeah, yeah, because the horse has a lot of hair.
Have many fans and dust.
30 horse here,
30
and
horse.
all of the horse here have different breed. Not all of them, but most of them have different breeds. We have Frisian, we have Arabian, and we have American miniature as well. And it's very brave and needs a strong leadership. You know what leadership is, right? Horses have different personalities, just like humans. Okay?
How can I get off?
The way-
You grab, and then you just pull off.
Alright. Then repeat one more time.
Up, good.
Hey, you got it, Jian. You feel?
They are friends, but it's hard to control them a bit.
Hi, Mark. Why do you love horse?
I think they're friendly and they're cute.
Cute. And why do you love for horse riding a horse?
I think it's fun.
It's
me.
fun.
I
Yeah.
think it's fun and it's exciting.
Hi, English for kids. Where are you?
We are at Thongsomboon Club.
This is the farm.
Yes.
Okay, what are you doing here?
We're gonna feed pig and chicken.
Here we go. If you want to visit here, how do you do, Tian?
Adult for 50 baht and children for 30 baht.
And what you can do here?
We see many plants and many trees and and we can see how to plant a tree.
Okay, good.
Like a small to big tree. Yes.
start